Road is wet. What's up, guys? Today it's Monday. I hope I'm not already late because I did not get a lot of sleep kagabi. I don't know why. Maybe because of the coffee. So maybe later, guys, I will go to Davao. Oh shit, the road is wet. My engine will be dirty again. Lagi na lang basa yung karsada dito dahil sa construction, and umulan man o hindi, my engine is getting dirty. Stop, sir. Morning, brother. So yun, guys, I'm already in the office. I'll see you later when I'm going to Davao na. Peace out muna. What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to Davao, but before that I need to gas up muna. Last Saturday I've been to Coambal, but I did not edit the video, so okay. What's up, show? So yun, guys, tapos na ako magpagas. Let's go to Davao. What's up, guys? So now papunta na ako ng Davao, and maybe later I'll cut off the mic. I'll cut off my mic so I can plug my power bank, and maybe I'll talk to you later. So na. Ano, ma-overtake ka na. Ayan na yung kamote, oh. Diba? Ayaw pa na tumingin. O ano, Motor Star. Tingnan natin kung dadaan din sa gitna. Ayan, dadaan sa gitna. Motor Star, ang motor ng mga star. Hahabol ka ba, kuya? Sige, tingnan na natin. Ayan yung pumasok, eh. Ay, nangamote na naman ako. Tagum. Father. Hindi tayo makakapunta sa gitna, men. Oh. At hindi ka pa nag-swimming, kutsa mo. So yan guys, once again I'm already in Davao. So thanks for being with me on this episode. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.